Hello and welcome back, viewers. So most of the viewers or most of my friends are facing a problem installing C++, especially the turbo version of a C++. In my previous videos, I have used dev C++, that is a 32-bit compiler. But what if you want to run 16-bit compiler on Windows 7 or Windows 8? So actually, these Windows doesn't support the 16-bit application. So now, to run Turbo on your Windows, any Windows after XP, so you need this software that is a DOS box, right? And this is your TurboC setup. So now, first you are going to install this DOS box, then you are going to run the C++ or a C on this DOS platform, which is kind of providing a virtual layer. Fine. So let's get installed the DOS box. So double click on it and okay, run anyway. So I'm going to install the DOS box first. Then with the help of a DOS box, we are going to install or we are going to install or run C or C++. Okay, so it's been completed. So now close. So now here is our DOS box environment. So now here you have to key in some couple of the commands to make environment for your application. So for time being, I'm closing these windows. So let's place our this setup, TurboC setup at some appropriate location. So I'm going to put it in a C drive. Right? So it's up to you where you want to put these files. So I'm going to paste this. So it needs admin privileges. So just click continue and yes. So this is your setup, and I'm going to extract this into some folder. Okay, so it's a Turbo C. Let's make some rememberable name like TC. Okay, so TC is my folder. Okay, again it's having some. Okay. So actually, I have took this setup, which is came with the merger of a DOS box and TurboC. So the most of the package you will find that is inbuilt, but that even can cause some problem. Fine. So actually, this is solve this, but you can have a problem. So I do TurboC files. Yeah, this is so let's extract this to this folder. Okay, and so this is I'm looking for these two files of and PC. So PC. Okay. Okay, here we will have our TC folder. Right. So now we are having this TC TurboC files and we already installed the DOS box. Okay, so now remember this TC folder is in C drive, right? Okay, so now let's run DOS box. Okay, so now here the first command that I am going to use is a mount command. So what is a mounting? Mounting basically when you are inserting a file system on some folder. In easy words, I can say whenever you're inserting a pen drive into your laptop or a PC, so you will have an icon to access your pen drive. So that process is the mounting. You're mounting all the files or a file system to a one drive from which you can access those. So similarly here, we are using the mount command, fine, so that we can access the turbo file because this is a virtualization. This provide DOSBox providing you a virtual environment, fine. So we are having a command mount C drive slash tc. Now this is our path. C drive slash tc is our command, and I'm instructing the DOSBox that C drive tc mount that on a C. Okay, drive C is mounted as a local directory C drive tc. Right? Okay, so now I'm currently in Z drive, so I'm going to switch to the C drive. So now let's dir. Dir is for directory listing. If you want to list the files in a current path, so current path is our the C drive. So this is your path, fine. So I change the drive. This is to change the drive C drive because we have mounted it on the C. So then I move to the C drive. Then just to make sure that files are there, I'm using dir. It will give you the all the directories and files in that particular drive. Right? Okay, so now here I'm going to write cd. CD is for the change directory. CD bin. So bin is, this is your folder. This directory is folder. This is your folder. CD bin. Again dir. Let's see that the tc. Look, tc.exe is there. So I'm going to execute tc. Now you can see I'm having the C installed, running on my screen, but with a message that directory error. So how to resolve that directory? Go to the Windows, go to the options and then navigate to directories. So now here we have mounted the C drive TC on a C. Fine, C drive TC. Now this whole thing is acting as a C drive in a virtual environment. So you have to delete this TC part. Fine. So again, this TC part you have to delete. Fine. Click OK. File, new. Let's write some program to check that is it working or not. Oops. Standard input output.h int main. Okay, then let's write printf running C in DOS box semicolon return 0. Okay, so let's try to check that is it running or not. So compiler, we don't have any error. So then run. Right? So I didn't use any Windows stopper like catch and that particular command. So you can navigate to Windows and output, and you can see at the end by scrolling down. So this is running C in a DOS box. Fine. Okay, so you can close this window. Fine. And I'm pressing the combination of Alt plus Enter. Fine. And you can see that this C is running in a full screen mode. Fine. Again, Alt Enter to be in a that small screen mode. Right? So you can run your TurboC by using the DOS box. So now each and every time you have to do all that stuff. So we can do a tricky part so that only double click will land you to the this C++ IDE. Right? So let's see that how we can do that. I don't want to save this program. So let's say no. Okay, exit P. Exit. Fine. Okay, so now let's see that how we can configure this. So this is the program listing, and here the new program is installed, and here we are having a DOS box, and here you are having a option. Right? Here you are having an option. Okay, let's see what we are having an option. Okay, so these are all comments, full screen, force conversation, one source language, CPU, texture. So here we are going to key in the same commands which we have given in to run that C++ environment. So it's auto exec. So if you remember, we have used that commands. That is, first was the mount command, mount C drive slash. Keyboard mismatch. Okay, PC. Fine. After that mount, we have moved to the bin directory. Okay. In a bin directory, we are having a tc.exe. So those commands I have just directly embedded into the DOS.work configuration file. So now just save your file. Fine. So I'm not going to close. Maybe we should change something if something is wrong. So DOS box, okay, so PC, illegal command. So I forgot to change the derive. So that's why. What are the command we have got over there? Mount C drive is mounted successfully. CD bin. Because in Z drive there is no bin directory. So I have to I have to change that derived path CD bin. So bin is not related to the Z by default. That is a Z drive. So here we are having a C drive. So again save it. File save. Okay, now let's rerun this. Okay. Okay, now you got it. Fine. So I already configured the directories for that. So no need to do that thing second time. So this was the very easy way to set up. So now you will face one more problem with this environment. Usually you are using your Control F9 and Alt F9 to execute the compile or run your program. So let's see Control F9. So it's compiling successfully. But if you are pressing Alt F9, your window will close. So this is because the default configuration for the DOS box. How to override the default configuration of a DOS box so that our C++ will not close when we are pressing the combination of a control F9. So what we are going to do, we are going to execute the DOS box, file, quit. So now after that, in this window you will find okay. So here, okay, fine. So here you will see to just the emulate CPU speed. So you can tweak these to activate the key mapper. Control F1. So we are going to press Control and F1. So here's a key mapper. So for the shutdown, look, we are having a F9 key binded to the control. So what you have to do? You are going to delete this key mapper, add a new one, and randomly just assign any key. So I'm going to press F1 for that from a keyboard itself. Okay. So now I'm going to save this. Fine. Mapper file save. I got a message. Exit. Now again, either you can run PC directly from here. We already learn all the commands, or you can just double click the DOS box. Now I'm going to press Alt F9. So my compilation is done very well. Control F9 again. So no closing. So this is the perfect way you can run your TurboC compiler or any compiler or even any video game which is 16-bit on your Windows platform. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get an update regarding my further videos. Thanks for watching.